Alright, welcome back to another video of Microwave Dinner. This is part 2 of the series. I'm probably gonna do part... Hold on, my cat's in my room and he wants out. Okay, so I'm probably gonna do part 2 and part 3 in the same, video, or not video, same day, because I know at some point today, I have to, go somewhere. And now my cat wants in. Oh my god. Come in, kitty. So, yeah. Basically, I'm assuming part 3 and 2 are gonna be filmed the same day, but give me a second. I need to do something. I'm probably gonna try and not make this one 52 minutes long like the last one. It was insane. Okay, my videoing probably will stop, or not stop, but slow down, next week because I'm going on vacation. Yay! Hee. So, okay, so as we know last time, I did the restaurant, I did the sewer, and I did part of... No, I think that's it. I don't think I did it. Oh, and I did the lighthouse. I'm gonna go complete the restaurant. Need to do 3 items into the... Yeah, so this one, that's all I have left. Add 3 weird items to the soup. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna come into here and see if I can't, grab the cheese out. I'm gonna see if I can take the cheese out of the sewers and put the cheese in the soup. I'm assuming not. I know I can exit from the area I entered at, but I'm not sure if I can bring items through those loading zones. If not, I have no clue how to get that achievement. Okay, so now we take this like we did last time. But this time, we come back to the... Oh my god. I forgot I have my default browser as Wave. And this time, we're going to come back over here. And we're gonna see if I can even... Ooh, I can get up that. But it doesn't. Okay. So that means it has to be 3 weird items from the restaurant. That makes things a lot harder. Hold on. I just gotta go grab this up top. I know there's something. Maybe not. Can I enter through there? Ooh, sparklies. Oh, okay. Okay, so that means there's 3 weird items in the restaurant that I can add. Just what? I know there's the pan and the other thing, but the pan in the box, but there has to be something else, right? Because we found out we can't add. I feel like it's just this, but I can't figure out how to. Maybe if I. No? No? Okay. Because, yeah, we can grab this here. And drop it in. But then it just respawns, and I don't think it actually counts. Since it respawns. But there's nothing else I can pick up. This one is quite a hard achievement, apparently. I mean, there's the turkey leg in here, but that's an actual ingredient. So it wouldn't be that, because I mean, it's like the actual ingredient. So I don't feel like they would do that. But what else could it be? There's not really anything that it could. I feel like that's like oddly suspicious. The fact that they're basically. No? Really? Okay. I have no clue. I don't know what it could be. I don't know. Maybe it's like something around the. No. If both. It's so annoying. I know this one confused me for so long. I don't even think I got it in my other run. I think I just wanted to get to World 2. Pretty sure I only did the main quest. Of course there's the fish, but again, normal ingredient. It couldn't be. Does it just want me to add the same items? Didn't we try that last time? I can't remember. I'll try it again. Stop putting boxes in the soup. Stop putting that boxes in the soup. And this should technically be the third one. No? Okay, bro. I don't understand this one. I'll probably... Actually, okay. I have my phone right here. Why don't I just Google search it right now? I'm just gonna Google search it. What's the achievement called? Okay. Okay, so I was close. I just missed one object. Oh my gosh. I never even thought of that. Okay, so there is a specific order. You have to do metal crate. Then you have to do the box. But here's where it gets tricky. The third item doesn't actually exist. It's you. Okay. Well, that was annoying. But, I mean, okay. We've officially 100%ed the restaurant. Now for the rat sewers. Because I want to go 100% that before I move on to the hotel. I swear I can go through these doors while dashing. I'm just bad at it. Oh my god. Oh. Well, not if the poles don't go down. Okay. So, first achievement here, we already got. It was the, like, whole blah blah blah, yeah, do this to unlock the cheese vault, right? The next one, we need to get into there. Because that's where the ticket is. Oh right, I turned my Roblox volume down because oh, that's loud. We'll do that. I turned my Roblox volume down because people were using voice chat in a fighting game. No one likes that. How do I? There has to be a way. Come on. Let's see. I'm an Obby Pro. Can I just enter it? No? There's a blue light on top. Is there a blue lever, possibly? No? I think there is a blue lever, actually. What's back there? What's up there? Nothing? Come on, come on, come on. No? How did he do it? Oh, does he stand on the cheese? Oh. Alright. There's nothing up here. I need to be looking around for any way to get into that pipe. And then another achievement in this level is called Secret Room. So I also have to be looking for any secret rooms. I think I know where the secret room is. I just have no clue on how to get into it. Okay, one door open. Yeah, so this has a blue thing on it, but it can't open. So there must be a blue lever. Put this here. Come back, grab this, and kick. There's that emergency exit, but does it actually open that thing? No. Yeah, that guy's got the right idea, because that must be a secret room. The question is how we get to it. I'm gonna put that down for a second. It looks like its entrance would be like in this room, but clearly not. I'm not gonna use Google until I get like desperate, you know? Like that last one, I was at it for the entire time yesterday, basically. So, color coded. I feel like there's something down there. They wouldn't just put a platform down here. Come on. Really? Y'all would just put a platform down here when there's nothing down here? I don't believe you. No? No? Okay. Okay. This one opens to that. Then, of course, shuts. No? Okay. No. Okay, just had to look. Now we use my parkour skills. Get up to the red one. Okay, I'm turning my volume off for this part. There's a lot of beeping in this one. I don't like it. Okay. Now what we need to do is we come back over to here. I need 2 pieces of cheese. So, how's this gonna work? Am I gonna have to go grab... Oh, I go grab the cheese from over here. Right, I remember that part. I grabbed this piece of cheese. Okay. This piece of cheese can be the door holder. I'm taking this one with me. Okay. So, basically, I'm thinking we just beat the level normally, and then there may or may not be like a blue switch somewhere in there, maybe. I'm hoping there is. But for all I know, it might be in the secret room. Oh my god, I died. I'm cooked, I'm cooked, I'm cooked. Can I put the cheese down? No? No. Okay. Right, I forgot. I need to go hit green again. In order to be okay. So... Okay. Now we go back. Okay. That works too. No, it doesn't. Okay. I'm just gonna go this way. Heck. Okay, we grab this, come over to here. Now we bring it over this way to where that lift was. Since I can't wall hop with a cheese in my hand, sadly. Oh. No! I could have done that the whole... Oh, no, I can't. Okay, bro. I was so excited. I'm like, yo, I could have done that the whole time. No, I can't. Okay, well. Hit that. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, actually, that worked out terribly. Okay. Whatever, I can just fly up and grab onto this ledge. Hey, yeah. Okay. Flop. That opens the door. Leap of faith. Ooh. Anything? No? I don't believe that. There! That has to be the way. Got it. Okay, so that opens. And then another door opens. I know somewhere back here there was a door that would open. So blue. I vividly remember it, but I still do remember it. Maybe that's how you get into the secret room. Okay. Yeah, this one. This door right here. It's open. So now I can just get out and... Got the ticket. Huh. Okay. Now I need to find this ticket beneath a well. Beneath a well? Is there even a well in this area, for that matter? I don't think there even is. Yo, no way. Okay, I was gonna say, if that's where that is, the secret room is back there. How does it want us to get to that, though? I don't think. I can't fly that long. Oh, it doesn't. Please tell me it doesn't want me to wall hop all the way over there. Whatever. I'm down. Oh, I'm dead. Okay. Yeah. I did it! Yay! Huzzah! Duh. Oh, no! That's the wishing well one? You gotta be joking! That's only the wishing well one, meaning I still need to find the entire secret room? Oh my god. No! Wait, I actually didn't know that was there. No way. Yo, I just wanted to fly up into the light and I'm like, oh my god. Okay, that's the sewers 100%ed. Okay. This video is probably gonna be like maybe an hour long or like 52 minutes long like the other one. Maybe. If you like the long videos, please leave a like or just a comment saying I like the long videos, these are okay. If not, you can just tell me, like, I can shorten them anytime. I can, like, make them long and then edit them to be shorter, but... Ooh. Okay, let's go. I'm not gonna finish the lighthouse yet, because doing the under 40 seconds one is okay, but well, why am I going into the restaurant? The do it without jumping achievement, I don't want to have to do. That one is just tedious. I think what it wants you to do, it wants you to go to the next world, because there's a certain upgrade there that would probably make it a lot easier, but yeah. Now hiring janitor, seafront desk, blah blah. I'm gonna go do the whole quest line. Yes, we're hiring. Yes, I'll do your job. Okay, this one's not the funnest of... No, it's in the janitor's closet. Why am I coming over here? I need to go to the janitor's closet. Yeah, this one I don't like. 'Cause it's so annoying. 'Cause you have to kick this silly little soap bar over a bunch of puddles without it doing that! And flying away. I can't just do that, so instead I have to, like, actually grab it and just throw it. Just chuck it over there. Grab it, chuck it over there. Hey, it does pay quite well, though, with all the meat you get. Anything back here? No? Let's go get that next stain. Hiya! I do like playing soccer with it. Yeah. One stain down. Let's go. From the corner. Hiya! Goal! Man, I'm so excited to see Portugal play today. World Cup, gonna be so fun. So, all these rooms that have little keys on them, you have to clean them too. Pretty sure there's also a few other rooms I have to clean. I just didn't get to them yet. I'm pretty sure it's like... Well, oh yeah, there's the ticket in that elevator shaft somewhere. I need to get that. Okay, I'm gonna go grab this. I'm gonna go grab the, oh wait, there's stuff in the restroom. Right. Okay. Then we just chuck it this way again. And kick it off the wall. Okay. Come here, soap. Okay. Now what we do is we put the soap here, and we grab the key, and we go unlock the door. Yay! Okay. Really fun game. Not many players, sadly, because the game hasn't been updated in quite a while. I'm not sure if the creator maybe left it, but it's okay. It's still fun. Okay. First room. We're gonna bash that there. I see a key in there. Okay. Throw that like that. See, I didn't realize I could pick up the soap when I played. So, know what I did? I kicked it the entire way. Every room, I kicked the soap. To the room and at the and in the room the entire time. So if I'm correct, I just have to bash into that to grab our next key. And I'm pretty sure this one goes upstairs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this one definitely goes upstairs. I'm pretty sure there's also a ticket up here and there, yeah. Oh yeah, here. So we're just gonna throw this, and then jump down, and dive. Oh, yep, okay. So either the elevator's stuck on the second or third floor, I can't really remember. But now we come over here, grab the soap. Oh, there's a spot here. I didn't even realize. What a terrible janitor I am. Just chucking soap. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Oh no! Don't chuck the soap into there. It will go bye-bye. Like, for a while. I forgot I could crouch, because I can't... Oh yeah, I can. I just never use it. Because I never really go into any tight spaces. I forgot. So we have to bash into this with ourselves. And then we have to crouch through it to get the green key. You can push the key. I'm not pushing the key. I'm gonna drop the key and then crouch and push the key. Okay, I had to push the key. Well, this room's clean. So now what we do, we jump and we real quickly land here and we throw it. Throw it. I didn't really throw it there. But before we go down there, I'm going to real quickly crouch into this little tight space vent thing. Nope, not gonna crouch into that little tight space vent thing. That's a different part of it. So my soap is left in the blue room. Correct? Correct. Oh, there's a spill here. Oh no, bro's soap fell. Alright. Green room. I know in this room, the key is in the shower, I'm pretty sure. That or the key is in the shower for this room. And it unlocks another thing upstairs, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna bring the soap there first. Then the key. It is the same amount of work, but it kind of isn't, because I can just chuck the soap over to the room, and then I can dash down and fly into the room to grab the key. It's so sad that I can't, like, hover or crouch or roll while holding stuff, because especially rolling, it doesn't even use your hands, it just turns your feet into a roller. Oh no, your hands do disappear. Right? Because you're just rolling as the microwave, not the... Yeah, okay. Because you gotta, like, crouch, you know? Okay, that makes sense. Oh, whoa, lag spike. Oh, there's 2 puddles in this room. Grr. Clean it, clean it. Clean the room, clean the... So this is the last room that needs to be cleaned. Sadly. So there is another area that needs to be cleaned. and I don't like the area that needs to be cleaned next because it's so annoying. There's so much to do there, and it's just annoying. Oh, well, what did I hit? I'm hoping that didn't turn off the recording. So you gotta throw the soap into the vent, then you have to go into the vent without losing the soap, and so you just grab the soap here. Then you drop down, and you throw the soap again, hopefully pushing it all the way through. Okay. This is where it gets really annoying, and I mean like insanely annoying, right? Because see that puddle in the middle of the pool? That was my worst nightmare playing this game. Because you can easily just double jump to it, right? But the problem is, you really can't. Or you can, but if the soap touches the water, it disappears, and then you have to do it all over again. Not like the entire quest, but just you have to go grab the soap all over again. See, like so. So now we have to exit through this door. That will shut behind you. Grab the soap all over again. And try again. And yes, this does mean you have to go up the entire thing again. Throw the soap into the vent. Throw the soap out of the vent. It's annoying. Oh my god, lag spikes. I'm bad at this. Oh yeah. Okay. Get in there. I'm gonna throw you down. Hey. Whoa. That went fast. Wall sliding. Gotta come down with a smooth entrance. Hee hee. Okay. No! I swear, bro. I swear. I need it. Okay. Quick. Maybe it doesn't dissolve when it hits the water. It only dissolves when you hit the water. Go. Quick. We gotta throw a pool floaty out. We gotta get to it. Pool floaty. Hiya! Grab the soap. Yes. Okay. We're okay. Now I'm gonna go, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna build a pathway to the middle part using pool floaty. I can double jump from there. Yeah, see? So now we come over here and grab the soap. Oh, this one's so annoying though, because if you drop the soap, then it like does that and it's not fun. Okay. So throw it lightly. No. Bro, no. I was so close, but now I need to grab another pool floaty. Ugh. I remember in the first run I ever did for this, which was the 32% run, I decided I was done with the fact that I kept falling in the pool when holding the soap. So I just put every pool floaty into the pool to, well, float me. Oh my, bro, this can't. This game. Can I still grab the soap? No? There. Now, just grab the soap and throw it. Yes, I did it. That's all I needed to do, if I'm correct. That's all I needed to do, if I'm correct. If not, darn. Alright, I can stand on this. Ooh, wait, actually, that might work. I just bash the soap over here. Towards this pool floaty. Ooh, it's working. Ooh, now we stand on the soap. Perfect. That's not near where we need to have it. Nowhere near perfect. No, it's going the wrong direction. Wrong way, silly. You need to go this way. Now you need to go this way. This way, I say. There we go. Because I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm not positive. There might be a stain in here somewhere. I'm not positive. Okay, hold on. Alright. Well, I have to go eat breakfast in a sec, so I'm hoping that was indeed the last stain. You think you cleaned everything up? I'll go check. I found some that you missed. You missed one and on the top floor hall. No way! I missed one on the top floor. Hold on, I'm gonna mute so I can tell my mom to give me a sec. Okay. I don't think she knows that I'm making a video. That's okay. I'll tell her that I was. She won't mind. She won't mind. Is it in this part of the hallway? Yes, it is. Ew. You need to get out. I will soap you. Be gone. Be gone, stain. Be gone, stain. I got it. Yay. Okay. Hiya! Ooh, it bounces. That was really fun. Okay. Well, I'm gonna claim the microwave dinner, and I'm probably going to end it here for part 2. It has been quite some time anyways. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. And please tell me if you like the long videos, because I kinda do, but I don't know. Please tell me.